Use the Tools menu to change the appearance and default settings for the TUKAmark software. To customize the colors of the software interface, go to Tools, Appearance. Select an item, then select a color and click Apply. For items with text, select the font and font size. To save the applied color scheme, click Save As, and give it a name. To change the colors of the pieces on the marker, go to Tools, Colors. To change the colors by size, right-click a size from the Sizes column, and select a color. To change the colors by bundle, click a size, then right-click a bundle number from the Bundles column, and select a color. To change the colors by material, go to the Materials tab, then right-click a material name, and select a color. Go to View, Piece View, or use keyboard shortcut F10 to select whether to display colors for pieces on the marker by sizes, bundles, or materials. Go to Tools, Working Units, to select whether to work in millimeters, centimeters, inches, or feet. To change the size of the tool icons, go to Tools, Customize, and tick on Large buttons. Go to Tools, Options, to define various default settings for TUKAmark.